Good evening and welcome to the session 3 from the playlist of magnetism and matter. The topic is the classification of magnets, and this session is in continuation of the session number 2, in which we have studied about the bar magnets. So based on this topic, I have written here two important points in order to understand the classification of magnets. So the first point is that the magnets are basically classified by their type, composition, and how long they remain magnetic. So on the basis of this point number 1, I have now classified the magnets as permanent magnets, temporary magnets, and the electromagnets. Now the permanent magnets are those magnets which do not lose their magnetic property easily once magnetized. However, the permanent magnets can get demagnetized if they are exposed to extreme temperatures. And some of the commonly used permanent magnets are ceramic, alnico, and samarium cobalt. These are some of the commonly used permanent magnets. Now the second point is the temporary magnets. So temporary magnets are those magnets which are magnetized in the presence of a magnetic field, and these magnets lose their magnetic property when the magnetic field is removed. And the most common example is the iron nails. The third type of the magnet is the electromagnets. So the electromagnets are those magnets which consist of a coil of wire which is wrapped around a metal core of iron. And when this material is exposed to an electric current, then a magnetic field is generated, making the material behave like a magnet. And here in this case, the strength of the magnetic field can be varied or regulated by regulating the electric current. Now let us now just discuss about some of the common uses of the permanent magnets and the electromagnets. Now the permanent magnets are basically used in the electric motors and the generators, whereas the electromagnets are basically used in the speakers, in the electric bells, and the electric trains also. So these are some of the common uses of these electromagnets and the permanent magnets. And in the next session now, I will be now discussing about the magnetic field due to a bar magnet. That is in the session number 4. We will be discussing about the magnetic field due to a bar magnet. And so till then, have a nice day. Bye.